Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open the screen recording. Let's get started. First, go to your internet and type King Broad. It's right there, and click the first one. Then actually you can see right here, and they say you need to download this. Scroll down, go up, then go back, go type download APK. No, it's not this one actually. See, as you can see, it's the same thing, but alright. And then they said download. Actually, you can see right here is coming. You've already be there, so click on it and click continue. Install. So you can see it's coming. Then down, go back to the screen and click right here. Go, actually you can see right here, and you click on it. One broad. Come on. So when you're done, actually click on it. There's a private policy and advancing time. Click OK and go right here, load, and click it right here. Never mind, and click right setting. Actually, stop recording when the screen is off. Turn down and go back. Start record. This is oops, but don't worry, guys. Click right here, right here.
These outdoor furnishings from Lowe's are so stylish, it almost feels like we're inside the house. Not that I've